In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an opening balance in Zoho Books for the year 2025. Entering opening balances is a crucial step to ensure your financial statements accurately reflect your business's current financial position. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your Zoho Books and navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub and offers a snapshot of your business's financial state. It's akin to the home page for all your activity. Once you're here, locate the settings option, usually found in the sidebar or the top right corner. Click on it and it will guide you to where you can personalize or manage various aspects of your account settings. After accessing settings, find and select opening balances. Entering your opening balances accurately is vital, as this data represents your business's financial status at the beginning of the financial year. Next, look for the Import Opening Balances option. Click on Import Opening Balances to bring up the interface where you'll actually input your financial data. You'll now see the option to drag and drop a file to import. This file contains all your preliminary financial data. Prepare your CSV file in advance, ensuring it includes critical details of all accounts. When it's ready, simply drag and drop the file into the designated area. It's a smooth way to get your information into Zoho Books without manual input errors. Once your file is successfully uploaded, click on Next to proceed. In this step, you'll select the migration date. This date marks when your data will take effect within Zoho Books. Be precise here, as inaccuracies in the date can lead to discrepancies in reporting. Moving on, it's time to select the account name. The account name will match the category under which your balances fall, such as cash, inventory, or receivables. Following this, select the card, if applicable, which might refer to selecting the right bank or credit account. The next step involves selecting the currency code. Here, you'll align the currency of your entries with that of your business's operational currency. It's especially important for businesses dealing with international transactions. Similarly, you'll choose the amount for each account. Ensure these figures align with your financial statements or initial ledger entries. If your transactions involve foreign currency, select the relevant exchange rate. This step will adjust the amounts to reflect accurate financial conversions. Next, choose the contact name if applicable, which might relate to vendors, customers, or partner accounts important to the opening balance. To ease future imports, you have the option to check the Save These Selections box. This feature is a lifesaver for making future financial updates more consistent and less time-consuming. Finally, click on Next to finalize your opening balance entries. Once you do this, your financial data are preserved in Zoho Books, and you're ready to move forward with accurately recorded financials. That's it. You've successfully entered your opening balances in Zoho Books. Remember, precise accounting ensures smooth financial tracking, and what's recorded today sets the stage for insightful financial decision-making tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.